Another day detailing two maintenance clients. Well, one maintenance client with two cars. Got the simple setup again. Super easy. In my sedan, putting everything in there. Interior only on both of them. I service these two every month, and then I service their truck every 3 months. As you can see here, it's in pretty bad shape. I ended up letting them slip on accident last month, so they needed 2 months worth of cleaning. This one took me an hour and it was done. Usually it's like 45 minutes. This one is really bad. Can't let kids' cars go for 2 months. But this one ended up taking me about an hour and 25 minutes on the interior. Usually it's about an hour. So, running behind, but that's what happens when you miss an appointment. So yeah, this is super basic. These are maintenance. If it was a detailer doing this, they would have made $84 and some change. And then they would have had a tip of $29. So it was averaging out, I think when I did the math, they would have made about $46 an hour. If it was without the tip, I believe it was 30 something an hour. So, even when they are a little bit slower, you still make good money. And since you can do them faster, you can do more customers and get more tips as well. So yes, it's a lower price, but the level of detailing, we can do them pretty quick, and we know how to do a lot pretty fast. Been doing this a long time. If you'd like to know more information on how I do this and get my customers, let me know.